In this video, I'm going to show you how to farm STARCHROM in Once Human. So STARCHROM is a vital thing if you want to get the blueprints you desire and the weapons you actually want to have inside the game. Now, by far the easiest way to get a lot of STARCHROM is as follows. Press the escape key, and the first one is to actually complete this survey down here, and by completing this survey you will get 300 STARCHROM. Now, the second thing you can do, and to get as most as you can, is to click Manibus over here and go inside Season Goals. And then over here, as you can see, each and every single phase will give you a bunch of STARCHROM. As you can see, you can even get up here. It's currently only phase 3, and you can get, as you can see over here, what's that, 4.5 thousand STARCHROM out of these challenges alone. Okay, now if you kind of look around your different shops and achievements and stuff like that, you can also get some STARCHROM by doing the journeys, as you can see. However, the amounts are very minimal. You get 25, 50, 50, 50, as you can see. It's not that good. However, I mean, if you do all of them, you will get quite a bit of STARCHROM. Now, these are the easiest ways to get it. Then you also have this thing called Stardust Event. Okay, now if you click it over here, it says Stardust Event over here. However, it's basically a battle pass. You can claim everything over here, and you can also get 1,000 STARCHROM in normal battle pass, in the free battle pass, as you can see. And yeah, that's also pretty nifty. I will just grab this because why not? Yes, that's pretty much that. And then you can also go to different events up here, and in here you can also claim some STARCHROM. As you can see, where did I see it earlier? You can get STARCHROM from a few of these. Okay, I've just checked them out earlier, and you're able to get a few STARCHROM if you complete these. Now, you can also go over here to where it says global events, and you can claim stuff over here. Sometimes there's STARCHROM available in here, and then sometimes you can find it in here. Now, it says regular event right now. As you can see, if you go to community rewards and you basically subscribe to their YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, you will get 180 STARCHROM for each and every single subscription or follow, basically. Okay, and you can also get a lot. So as you can see, 500 STARCHROM for just binding your Discord together with your game. Okay, so these are kind of the more basic ways. Now, you can also get it by having this thing in your base, which is called Stardust Resonant Filter. In here, you can use up your Cortexes, so Eclipse Cortex level 3, 2, and 1. And each and every single one you deposit, as you can see, it tells you how much of STARCHROM you can get. However, the problem is, when you start this purification, the mobs will start spawning in, and you will have to kill them off if you want to kind of get this STARCHROM, and the duration will be whatever it says on the screen. And yeah, you have to have a separate base or a base prepared for those attacks, because otherwise they can destroy everything you have. Now, there's also a thing you can do. If we go to this map over here, and then you can go to any place over here and look for this dude that's called Severin 7, and this dude will send you STARCHROM cases. However, it will use Stellar Planula, so you'll have to pay Stellar Planula to get it. However, you can use and get 10 per, I think it's 8 per season, which is 500 STARCHROM per crate. That's 4,000 STARCHROM out of that. Now, you can find this dude in any of these safe areas over here, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So these are the main ways and the best ways to get STARCHROM inside the game. And yeah, I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.